Hey, Kareful Keith back in this. Y'all, this is gonna be the first of these that I've actually did the way that I'm about to do this one. Is it a little bit more dangerous? Oh, hold on. The camera moved around. Stay right there. There we go. Hopefully that's it. Oh, no, it's wobbling. Hold on. Oh, that's my bad. I untightened it. Okay, hold on. I know I'm supposed to be looking at the road. It'll be all right. Okay. So, you guys, have you guys seen... I told you I wanted 2. They sure did ring me up for 4. Oh, wow. They thought I said 4. I said 2. Okay, well, you guys, I got the peanut butter banana pie from Popeyes. You see it? Yeah. So 4 pies was $7.16. $7.82 with tax. Hopefully they put some. You for real, man? They didn't even put no. Y'all listen. I done cleaned my little work car outright. Exit right. Y'all done cleaned my little work car outright, so I don't even think I got no spoons or no sporks or. God. I don't have with it. Wow. This is what they look like though, you guys. This is so dangerous. This YouTube, I swear. Well, this part ain't dangerous right here because people eat all the freaking time. So. Oh my God, that looks amazing. This is what the pie looks like, y'all. Oh shit. This is what the pie looks like. They looking at me like, is he driving and talking and showing a pie to a phone? Yep. They probably like, he probably on FaceTime. But this is what it looks like. And I'm not gonna be able to eat. Well, let's see. If I tear this off, could I? Who's driving the car? Jesus took the wheel. No, I'm not gonna be able to do this. Cause I don't want to make a freaking mess either. I cannot believe. Who goes to somewhere to get some? Listen. Listen. If y'all don't know who T.S. Madison is, I'm a part of the Matty Mob, right? T.S. Madison, back on one of her trips going to get food. I mean, she makes a good point, and everybody, if you go to somewhere to patronize somebody's business to get food, certain napkins, condiments, utensils, like 4 pies in this, well, 3, one in my hand, and not the first spoon, fork, knife, napkin, nothing. So, damn. What I'm gonna do is, y'all, I'm just gonna put these down on the floor, turn the vent on the floor, put it on the damn North Pole, and I'm just gonna drive as fast as I can to get home safely. And we'll just pick this video up on the other side, because I'm not gonna make a mess wearing this shirt. I am low-key kind of hungry though, but I'm not gonna make a mess wearing this freaking shirt. I'm talking about, I don't hear it. Whatever, y'all do the same thing. The only difference is now y'all looking at me while I'm doing it. I messed the shirt up, I just messed the shirt up because I'm kind of low-key hungry right this second. So we got to find the one that we had already tried to open because I had started tearing the box. And if I like them, guess what, y'all? I got 3 more. So that'll be a plus. There we go. That's the one that I have. Like I said, the only difference is Y'all do it in the privacy of your own car. Just like I'm doing it in the privacy of mine. But y'all just look at it. That's it. That's the only difference. So this is the one. So this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna continue to keep breaking the box at the bottom. There we go. It's gonna be crumbs in this mug everywhere, y'all. Damn, that's good already. Tastes like peanut butter. Okay, y'all ready? Here we go. I ain't even got no kids, man. I ain't got nothing. Oh. I had passed out. Oh, that's good. God damn, that's good. I'm glad I did say, I'm glad they did think that I said 4. I really did say 2 though, but it ain't no bigger. And when I pulled up and they said $7, I should have known something, but I was like, oh well, maybe I. There is a God. He ain't been a sugar. Y'all. Y'all don't know how good this is. Waste some. Now normally I be prepared. I have, like I said, I normally have like a fork, a spork, spoon, napkins, but I cleaned this car out, y'all. So when I cleaned it out, I kind of like threw some stuff away, and I don't really do fast food anymore, so my supplies of like that kind of stuff were non-existent. So when I cleaned it out, the only thing I honestly did throw away was just like some old freaking napkins. And now I wish that I would have kept them napkins. I found like 2 straws that were like partially open, you know, on one end, so of course they had to go. But yeah, this is really good though. So, peanut butter and banana. That's a good mix, y'all. Do y'all know who used to like peanut butter and banana? I'm gonna tell you if you don't know. So here in Memphis, you know, Elvis is a big thing here in Memphis. His house is here. He used to frequent some places around Memphis. One of these places that he used to frequent to is called the Arcade. It's a restaurant. And one of the things that Mr. Elvis used to like, one of the things that Elvis used to was peanut butter and bananas, like a grilled cheese. I don't know what, I can't remember what it's called, but it's cooked. Peanut butter and bananas. Yeah. Oh, gassy. So, yeah. But it's actually a pretty good mix. I don't know what it's like the Elvis way, but in this pie, oh Jesus. I can't close my eyes and pass out right now, so I might not wake back up. Might take that forever now. But this is actually good, you guys. So if you guys are by Popeyes, you should definitely go and try it. You should definitely go and try it. Definitely try the Popeyes peanut butter banana pie. You will not be disappointed. See y'all next Wednesday with another video. Peace. Oh, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, buy the pie. See you next Wednesday with another video. Peace. I almost knocked my damn glasses off.